AYUSH Society RIBHOI Recruitment 2024. AYUSH Society Recruitment RIBHOI District 2024. Notification. For the implementation of the National AYUSH Mission RIBHOI District, the District Health Officer RIBHOI District invites application for the various posts at the 10-bedded integrated AYUSH Hospital BHOIRYMBONG RIBHOI District Meghalaya on contract basis. Preference will be given to the local candidates from BHOIRYMBONG. Deadline of application form is on 4th of March 2024. Number of posts, both boy and girl. 2. 1 male, 1 female. Upper age limit 32 years. 5-year relaxation for ST/SC. Salary 8,500 per month. Essential qualification 10 pass. 2. Post name sweeper. Number of post 1. Age limit 32 years. 5-year relaxation for ST/SC. Salary 8,500 per month. Essential qualification 10 pass. Three. Post name cook. Number of post 1. Age limit 32 years. 5-year relaxation for ST/SC. Salary 8,500 per month. Essential qualification 10 pass. Number 4. Post name peon. Number of post 1. Age limit 32 years. 5-year relaxation for ST/SC. Salary 8,500 per month. Essential qualification 10 pass. Number 5. Post name Chowkidar. Number of post 1. Age limit 32 years. 5-year relaxation for ST/SC. Salary 9,000 per month. Essential qualification 10 pass. Number 6. Post name Jamandars. Number of post 1. Age limit 32 years. 5-year relaxation for ST/SC. Salary 8,500 per month. Essential qualification 10 pass. How to apply for the AYUSH Society RIBHOI District Meghalaya Recruitment 2024. Then job pass. Eligible and interested candidate can apply or submit their application in hard copy only in the office of the District AYUSH Society Recruitment Homeopathy OPD, RIBHOI District on or before 5th of March 2024 up to 5 p.m. The top 5 candidates for each post on basis of class 10 marks will be selected for the personal interview. All relevant certificates and testimonial extra in original are to be produced at the time of interview. All candidates are advised to go to the AYUSH Society Recruitment 2024 official notification link in the description below.